Israel-Iran war news today. Iranian High Court rejects Jew's death sentence appeal. The family of Arvin Nathaniel Garemani says their court-appointed attorney failed to argue self-defense or the condemned man's efforts to save the victim's life. Iran's Supreme Court dismissed the family's appeal of Jewish citizen Arvin Nathaniel Garemani, who was condemned to death for killing a Muslim man 2 years ago. International pressure delayed his execution last week. The family said they couldn't present his defense, including his efforts to save the victim, and that the court-appointed attorney misrepresented them. IHRNGO, an independent Kurdish rights group, urged Iran to postpone his and others' executions and be transparent in the probe. Amir Shukri, 40, tried to assassinate Garemani, who claims he acted in self-defense. Since the event, he's been in Kermanshah's Daisalabad prison. IHRNGO claims that an emissary of Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei and IRGC intelligence urged the victim's family to deny compensation for his death. Iran's common agreement would have prevented the execution, but Garemani is Jewish Iranian facing imminent risk of execution, rights group claims. An Iranian rights group says a Jewish Iranian facing execution last week for killing a guy in a scuffle 2 years ago is again at imminent risk of execution. Arvin Nathaniel Garemani, 20, was sentenced to death and was expected to be executed last week under the Iranian Penal Code for Retributive Justice, or Qisas in Arabic, for allegedly killing Amir Shokri in self-defense when attacked with a knife 2 years ago, the opposition-linked Iran International News website reported. He received a last-minute execution stay. The Iranian Supreme Court dismissed Garemani's appeal, according to Oslo-based Iran Human Rights, IHR. The group claims that Garemani's family was aware of key mistakes in the case and ignored his efforts to save the victim. Garemani's relatives also claim his defense lawyer failed him in court. All We Imagine Is Light, about sisterhood in modern Mumbai, won Cannes' second-highest award, the Grand Prix. Payal Kapadia's second film was Cannes' first Indian entry in 30 years. Kapadia then advocated more awareness of Indian cinema, saying there's fantastic work going on in our country. Not just Bollywood, Kapadia added. The judges gave Mohammad Raziloff's secret Iranian drama The Seed of the Sacred Fig a special prize. Raziloff, fearing an 8-year prison sentence, fled Iran on foot days before the film's release. His film, which uses video from the 2022 to 2023 Iranian protests, turns Iranian persecution into a family story. An emotional Raziloff received a long-standing ovation at Cannes. Best script was to Coralie Fargeet's body horror film The Substance, starring Demi Moore as a Hollywood actress who goes to extremes to stay young. I strongly believe that movies can alter the world, so I hope this movie will be a little stone to construct new foundations, said Fargeet. I think we need a revolution and it hasn't started yet. Moore attended the awards event and was considered for Best Actress. Carla Sofia Gaskin, Zoe Saldana, Selena Gomez, and Adriana Paz won the award for their roles in Jacques Audiard's Emilia Perez, a Spanish-language musical about a Mexican drug lord who becomes a lady. As the first trans actor to win a major Cannes award, Gaskin accepted.